how would you consider Roja as one of your memorable projects?
First and foremost, they're all here. That makes them the Roja memorable. Amazing actors, amazing crew, amazing production, amazing story. And as Janice mentioned, talagang nagkulong kami sa lock-in for like 4 or 5 months. So talagang very memorable, each and every one in the story, everything. Talagang, I think kakaiba talaga yung Roja eh. I mean, yung intensity ng Roja, the way he was rolling from one scene to another. At yung mga tao talagang nakatutok talaga kasi talagang sobrang bilis ng mga pangyayari. And it involves thinking, sino gumawa nito, sino may gumawa niyan. Ito yun. So it's very involving.
Sir Raymond, thank you po. For Yasi, marami ang naintriga sa iyong karakter kahit special participation lang dapat. Ano ang pinaka-fulfilling for you in doing another ABS-CBN content series?
Pinaka-fulfilling, syempre, is to be able to do my art in a place that feels like home and na-welcome po ako ng buong buo by everybody here and by ABS-CBN, everyone from Dreamscape. Talagang naalala ko po talaga kung bakit mahal na mahal ko itong trabaho to. That's the most fulfilling for me.
Thank you, Yasi. For EJ, na-sorpresa. Maraming na-sorpresa na ikaw ay part ng cast. Kahit kung wala ka dun sa launch, kahit hindi ka napakilala ng launch at kalagitnaan ka ng show, pumasok ang character. Kumusta naman ang overall experience mo dito sa room?
Actually, kahit ako na-surprise. Hindi ko talaga alam. Nung unang in-offer sa akin ng Dreamscape, sabi, special participation. So, akala ko, yun lang, taping ako, isang lucky, gano'n. And then biglang, wow, baba yung character ko. So, syempre, blessing yun para sa akin. And itutuwa ako kasi ang ganda ng character. Sabi ko nga, yung character ko, marami na akong ginawa dating mga teleserye. But yung character ni Lieutenant Marlon Areza, parang naging fan ako ng character niya. Kasi yung pagiging pulis niya, siya talaga yung by the book, sumusunod talaga sa batas. Hindi lang basta napatunayan yung character niya na hindi lang basta paggamit ng baril yung pagiging pulis. Kumbaga, yung integridad niya, yung pag-save sa mga tao na nangangailangan ng tulong. So, yun. And very thankful ako sa Dreamscape at sa lahat ng mga taong nandyan. Pagbabalik ko bilang artista and syempre yung action genre. Una namang minahal ko yan and ABS din po yung nag-mold sa akin para makagawa ng mga ganito. And thank you.
Thank you, EJ. For Sir Chris, you were able to work with rising child star na si Zia Grace in this series. What can you say po muna about her acting skills?
Super. Ang galing. Si Zia, I think talagang born na actor. Kasi talagang lahat ng, pag narinig ko siya magkwento na wala sa harap ng camera, meron siyang process eh. Meron siyang sariling process na mabibilib ka kasi parang ang raw. Raw yung kanyang binibigay. And true enough, pag harap niya sa camera, pagbigay niya ng lines, andun na kompleto na yung emotions.
And of course, the family scenes, di ba? Paano niyo po siya nabuo yung dynamic? Maybe memorable scenes from that.
We would always bond with Zia, kami ni Nikki. Kasi nakita ko actually kay Nikki yung style na talagang kinlose niya si Zia. Na para pagharap sa camera, talagang one family kami. And then so I followed suit kasi nga parang nakita ko it really worked. Na parang Zia looked up to us as her parents sa harap ng camera.
Parang mom and dad talaga.
Yeah.
Yes. So that really, kumbaga, natural po siyang lumabas.
Yes.
Sir Chris, thank you. So for Kai, as someone starting in acting, kamusta ang unang mong sama?
Yes. I've had a yes. I've had a few acting bits before Raw, pero Raw is my first full-blown show, and I was a bit surprised to be a part of Raw kasi nga, as Ate Mike said, it's action-packed. So parang, talaga ba? Kay Montenola mag-action din? So parang, at first I was intimidated, but as I got to know my role, Ice Mercado, as an influencer with AC, sila, and Julio, I was like, okay, let's see. And honestly, I had fun, and I wouldn't have so much fun if it weren't for the cast. Honestly, and the whole team, Dreamscape team, they really welcomed me into my very first show. So I'm very grateful that they're here to guide me as a baguhan. Oh my goodness. Ang dami kong natutunan, ang dami kong na-experience, at ang dami kong naramdaman. And to be able to feel that in real life is tells so much about the show itself. So kung papanoorin niyo yung Roja mismo, doon mo din mararamdaman sobrang daming emotions. So thank you so much, Dreamscape, for giving me this opportunity, and I had a blast.
So same question mula kay Maymay. If you were to be considered again for another project na action, you would take it?
Ooh, for another action, syempre, bakit hindi, diba? I mean, hindi, siguro it's not like the first thought that would come into your mind. Kay Montenola, mag-action. Parang hindi, wala kasi siya sa parang first impression mo. But why not, diba? We'll explore. Yeah.
Thank you, Kai. For Lou, madaming viewers and mga fans ang pumuri sa action scenes mo. Kalaban si Donnie, medyo may ano na kanina. May example na kanina. For you, from your perspective, kamusta? What is it like with action scenes, especially si Donnie, yung kasama mo sa isa?
I enjoyed it kasi oh my gosh, kinakabahan ko ako wait lang. It was fun to work with Donnie.
Sino ba si Donnie?
Hindi tawag siya. Nung una kinakabahan talaga kasi well, sa mga past na work ko, hindi pa yun hand-to-hand combat. It's always just like pointing the gun and then but with him, it was easy naman kasi we were both just working together as a team when it comes to the shooting that. And mabilis yung pag-pick up namin with the parang the stunts, parang sayaw. So it was really
Alright, thank you, Lou, for EJ and Kobe. So given na ito, kumbaga pivotal din di ba? Yung inyong mga eksena. Hostage taking kasi yung plot ng buong series, of course, and if you were placed in a similar situation sa pinagdaanan ng characters ninyo, how would you respond muna, EJ? Kumbaga kung balik ka rin natin.
Ito si Finn, talagang siya, nakasurvive siya, ang daming pinagdaanan. Pero feeling ko si Iggy Boy, hindi niya kayang gawin lahat ng pinagdaanan ni Finn. Sa dami ng pinagdaanan ni Finn, nasabugan ng bomba, nagbago ng granada, nadamplisan ng baril. So ang dami nangyari. Kung si Emil nagtataka yung ba't buhay pa, nagtataka na rin ako bakit si Finn buhay pa. So, feeling ko si Iggy Boy, hindi niya kayang gawin yun. Pero ganun kagaling yung ginawa ng team ng Roja. Kasi parang magawa mo na kung isipin mo parang comic book, ano to, superhero. Pero nabibigyan ng hustisya ba't nangyayari yung mga yun.
So, napakawang mo, Cass. Thank you, Kobe.
Alam mo kasi si Maki marami siyang connections kaya siya nag-survive. Si Kobe, wala masyado. So
medyo parehas.
I think it would be a very different experience for me, and I don't think I would be able to survive what Maki went through. Yes.
Okay, Iggy and Kobe, thank you. Pero, follow-up question lang. Would you fight back? How would you fight back siguro? Kagaya ng ginawa ng characters nila.
Ako kasi, ang importante kasi sa akin yung mga mahal ko sa buhay. So, kung napunta ako sa ganong klaseng sitwasyon, kung lalaban man ako, para protektahan yung mga loved ones ko, pati yung mga tao sa paligid ko. So, kung ano yung ginawa ni Finn as a security guard, kahit hindi ako security guard as Iggy Boy, gagawin ko yung para protektahan yung mga mahal ko sa buhay.
Yun! Kobe, ang galing! Para sa pamilya, Kobe.
Same answer.
Same answer.
Family
Family.
is my motivation.
Okay.
So I think they would be the ones that would keep me going. Yeah.
Thank you, Bobby. Now for Micah. How was it doing almost half of the series nang naka-swimsuit, nang naka-bathing suit? How challenging was that?
Actually, hindi naman siya challenging kasi I'm so comfortable with everyone that I've worked with. Like, I mean, look at them. I'm so grateful to be working with such incredible people that make me comfortable. So I really wasn't even thinking about what I was wearing. I was just thinking about how can I contribute to the show. Kasi ayoko silang ipahiya kasi grabe yung mga efforts and passion na binibigay talaga ng each individual. So gusto ko lang talaga yun panindigan and sana lang panindigan ko. And nagustuhan niyo ba yung swimsuit?
Thank you, Micah. Thank you. Now, balik ako kay Kyle. Kyle,